and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious stew chicken or chicken stew. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have my chicken well seasoned. I'll show you guys how I did this in just a few seconds. Here I have some carrots and potatoes I'll be using. I have onions, bell peppers, 2 hot peppers and some thyme. I have tomato sauce, fresh tomatoes. I have garlic and ginger, green onions and cilantro. I'll be using some brown sugar, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper and allspice. So here's how I prepped and seasoned my chicken. First, I removed the skins. I washed really well with lemon juice and vinegar, and then I seasoned with some brown stew seasoning, some fresh green seasoning. I use garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, and paprika. So if you guys have been following me, you should know the routine by now. Basically, we are just adding all of the seasonings to the chicken, mix well, and we'll set it aside. We'll allow this to marinate for about an hour or two. But if you want to cook this right away or let it sit longer, you sure can. Next, we'll add our brown sugar to the oil and we will allow this to caramelize. This will add color and sweetness to the dish. So I know this step is very technical. Not everyone knows how to caramelize their sugar the right way. If you do this the wrong way, you can end up with your sugar being burnt, and that can cause a very bitter taste in your dish. But if you don't know how to do this, you can always add some browning sauce. You can add some casrip. You can even add some soy sauce to get that brown color. Once the sugar reaches my desired color, here, I don't want it too dark because like I said, I don't want that bitter taste in my dish. Now I will go ahead and add my chicken. I'll add the chicken here and I will let the chicken brown up a bit. You want to go ahead and give this a really good mix. Allow the chicken to be evenly coated with the caramelized sugar. And then we will add our tomato sauce here. We'll add the sauce and just allow the sauce to, cook some of that acidity out. And we'll let this go for about 10 to 15 minutes, just so the chicken can release those juices. So 10 minutes in, our chicken is looking good. Now, I don't know about you guys, but chicken can be tough too. I don't like my chicken tough when I'm eating curry chicken or stew chicken. So what I like to do at this point, I like to add a little bit of hot water. And I cover this chicken and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. And that will soften up the chicken nicely. And then I will start adding the rest of my ingredients. So now that our chicken has nicely softened, we will now add the rest of our ingredients. We will add our onions and bell peppers. We'll add our garlic and ginger, our fresh tomatoes. We'll mix them in and then we'll add our potatoes and carrots. We will also add our seasoning for taste and flavor. And then we'll add our 2 hot peppers and thyme. We'll add just a pinch of water here, just so we can have a bit of sauce or gravy. And then we will cover and allow our potatoes and carrots to become soft and tender. So after about an additional 10 minutes, I think the potatoes and carrots should be tender. And the last thing we will add here is our green onions and cilantro. And that's it, guys. This is how I make a super delicious stew chicken or chicken stew. Okay guys, so this is my version of a super delicious chicken stew or stew chicken. You can have this with some white rice, some roti, some rice and peas, dumplings, whatever you like. I will be having mine with some white rice, some fried plantains, and a salad. I do hope you guys enjoy my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!